Come join us today at Swanage Heritage Steam Railway. This track runs steam trains as well as diesel locomotives, and on the timetable you can choose between the two and they alternate. Alright, we're just about to get on the train. I bought my ticket online. Do you need to see it? Or? I bought 4 tickets on the Swanage Steam Train Railway, and I saved the picture that was emailed to my phone and showed them it was dead easy to do. The Swanage Railway was a branch line and it was opened in 1885 and is now operated as a heritage railway. I think all these seats are taken. Passenger service was withdrawn in 1972, leaving a small freight service. In 1980, steam trains officially returned to the Swanage line. In 1988, the Swanage line was extended to Harman's Cross, and in 1989, Harman's Cross opened officially to the public. Right, we are on the train heading down through the Dorset countryside to Swanage. On the Heritage Railway, Swanage Railway. If you're a railway enthusiast or you just like a bit of living history, this is a great way to spend the day. Getting off at Corfe Castle, you can go and explore the castle for the day, or head straight down to Swanage and spend the day on the beach. In the first decade of the 20th century, taking holidays at seaside resorts became a major pastime, and through trains from London were instituted in this period. Pulling into Swanage Station, you can see the beautifully kept period buildings. And on the platform you will see everything that you would have found back in the day, plus the beauty of modern amenities and great little gift shop, which I will show you in a minute. So here is the Swanage sign on the platform, and we will then head into the station, through and down through town to the beach. For an extra £3.50 per person on top of your ticket price, you can ride in this wonderful observatory car that gives you a panoramic view of the Dorset countryside. Oh, is that? There it is! Tony Udall. So that is my mum's friend, Tony Udall, on the board. So the train has to swap ends when it is in the station so it can pull the carriages. While it is there, it takes the opportunity to fill itself back up, fill its big tanks up with water that generates the steam from the huge amount of coal that is burnt to power the pistons that turn the wheels to drag the carriages. So this is the water tank, gravity fed into the tanks. You can see the ripples on the pipe as the water floods into the huge tank below the man's feet.
Have you got any more water in your van, Martin? Got enough to fill that up.
With the coupling done, the train is ready to chug back up the line to the other end, dropping passengers as they go. Whilst on the platform, take the opportunity to look at the modern graphics and the period pieces that give this station a real feeling of stepping back in time. I used to live on the Isle of Wight. From exiting the station, simply walk through the double doors, head out onto the pavement and turn left. Then keep walking straight down Station Road. Okay, you can't really get lost. You look for Station Road and you head down this road and you're at the beach. And you will find the centre of this marvellous little Victorian seaside fishing town. This town has gone by different names previously, including Swanage and Swanwick, but has the name of Swanage today, and this is the sandy and very popular beachfront at Swanage. While you are here, you can eat very nice fish and chips, or go and get a coffee or a beer. There is a multitude of restaurants, cafes and bars for you to eat. Even if you're brave enough, get in the water and have a swim. In the distance here is the popular seaside town of Bournemouth. Back in the train station, we are lucky enough to have a gift shop with all kinds of steam train related goodies. Let's see what it's got to offer. Fridge magnet. $3.45. This is what you need.
What is it?
Guard.
Yeah.
Brooch. This is Jenny Lewis. Jenny Lewis.
The one that has like a box here. Yeah.
Not the observatory cart, the other one. Oh, sorry.
When we were about 11, she used to say, and don't you talk to anybody, don't you talk to anybody.
We are just now coming back into Harman's Cross, where we will alight and watch the train disappear.
Whoa, just caught my handkerchief.
Alright,
Where's me?
what's this here? Yeah, it's this one. Sorry.
Thanks, take a picture.
The N and the other U. Those three had some replacement planes coming. Yeah.
As we are waiting, watching the steam train hiss and make its amazing noises, we are lucky enough to see the diesel locomotive coming in. The diesel and the steam train alternate on the timetable, taking passengers backwards and forwards throughout the day. A few final checks and she's ready to go. All aboard, chaps, it is time to go. Because they're not moving much, those birds, are they?
That's because they're
They're dead. We killed them.
I was just going to go put my finger in there.
Because it's slag pigeons and the bird. It's part of the dead. It's part of the
Oh, this is the waiting room.
The old waiting room, porters.
That's the luggage bag.
Yeah, the porter's room.
So guys, that is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching us travel on the Swanage steam train down to Swanage and back. We went from Harman's Cross. The return ticket is £11. If you want to get the Freedom ticket, which goes from, I think, Norden to Swanage, and you can jump on and off wherever you want and spend the day bombing backwards and forwards, then it is, I think it's £27.50. So that is £11 for the train ticket. So Harman's Cross down to Swanage and back. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Beautiful little bit of bluebells up by the side of the track. Idyllic way to spend a few hours on a sunny summer's day.